you know Destin sits between two completely different bodies of water? The Gulf of Mexico and Choctawhatchee Bay meet right at East Pass, and that mix of salty and brackish water creates the perfect home for hundreds of species, from dolphins and sea turtles to blue crabs and sea hosses. It's one of the most biodiverse spots on the entire Gulf Coast. Did you know Destin has more seafood restaurants per square mile than most cities in Florida? That's because it's home to one of the largest commercial fishing fleets in the state. From fresh Gulf shrimp to snapper caught the same day, if you're eating seafood in Destin, there's a good chance it was swimming just hours before it hit your plate. Did you know Destin didn't get electricity or phone service until the 1940s? Up until then, it was a quiet fishing village with no lights, no landlines, and only a handful of wooden homes along the shore. There wasn't even a post office until 1950. It's hard to believe that one of Florida's busiest beach towns was still off the grid less than 100 years ago. Did you know Destin has a free air show every Thursday night in the summer? It's called All-American Thursday, and it all happens at Harbor Walk Village, right by the jetty. At 6:30 p.m., it kicks off with a hero salute, then vintage planes zoom across the sky in an awesome air show you can watch from the beach or harbor. There's also live music, a fire spinning show, and the night ends with fireworks at 9 o'clock. So if you're near the jetty on a Thursday, look up Destin Sky Turns into a Show. Did you know locals in Destin name the blue herons they see at the beach? The most famous name, Fred. No matter which heron it is, if you ask a local who that bird is, they'll probably say, "That's Fred." It's kind of a running joke, and kind of a Destin tradition. Did you know Crab Island in Destin isn't actually an island? It used to be, but over time, the tides washed it away, leaving behind a shallow sandbar where the Gulf meets the bay. Now it's a floating party spot with food boats, paddleboards, and even inflatable obstacle courses, all in waist-deep water. Did you know the city of Destin is named after a fisherman from New London, Connecticut? In the 1830s, Leonard Destin sailed south and found paradise on the Gulf, where he started a small fishing village. He's known as the founding father of Destin, and the town still carries his name nearly 200 years later. Did you know McGuire's Irish pub in Destin has over $2 million bills hanging from the ceiling? It all started when a waitress pinned up her first tip for good luck, and now everyone adds their own. The total value hanging in the restaurant, more than $2 million and counting. FYI, they also have great food. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more facts, tips, and sites about Destin.